Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Ford Focus SE, stock number B9394P. 26,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, magnetic gray in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, lots of storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway, and approximately 30% tire tread left. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.